So these AI Stormtrooper vlogs are going mega viral right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your very own. And on top of this, I'm going to show you my prompting strategy and how you can create unlimited videos for completely free.
Wait, you're telling me I can use VEO for free?
Yes, you heard me. Hink about this. Got monetized in just 7 days with only 14 videos. This channel is tapping into an incredible phenomenon we call the recency effect. It means people are absolutely obsessed with things that are new, weird, and totally fresh. This novelty alone can skyrocket a channel's growth. Let's watch a quick clip so you guys get an idea of what we're talking about.
So guys, I think Vader's been watching the vlogs.
The videos are short, hilarious, and follow the daily adventures of a stormtrooper patrols planets. Now, how you can do this, and for free.
No student email, no credit card, and no weird tricks. I'm talking about a legit Google-approved method that lets you tap directly into Vert.xai using something called Cloud Skills Boost. And the best part, you're inside Google Cloud's lab environment, where you can use V3 completely for free with zero billing. After signing up to Google Console, click here to go all way down till you find Vertex AI. Then click on Media Studio. Congratulations, you have now unlimited VEO 3 for free. And for those who received the message, due to technical difficulties, all labs using Vertex are disabled. Please come back later. Continue the process as described. It works. Ignore the warning, and if the generation fail, just keep trying. Give it a couple times and it will work.
Are still not subscribed and not liked the video? No wonder it's not working for you.
If you have subscribed, go to description. You will find 10 prompts to start your channel now.